that speed of sound. Quickest hedgehog around. Got ourselves a situation, stuck in a new location with